Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Shah Alam, and I'm the founder and CEO of SBDF 25. Over the past 6 years, I've had the privilege of helping countless businesses scale and thrive through digital marketing and video marketing strategies. Today, I'm here to share some of my top tips to help you unlock digital success and take your business to new heights. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, you're in the right place. Unlock digital success with Shah Alam. Learn online marketing and sales growth. Empower your business with expert guidance from the founder of SBDF 25. Now let's dive into it. The first thing you need to understand is that digital marketing is not just a tool, it's a strategy. A strategy that has the potential to transform your business and open doors to global success. If you're still wondering where to start, don't worry. That's exactly why I created this channel. Here at SBDF 25, our goal is to help newbies and aspiring entrepreneurs like you to master digital marketing and take control of your business growth. Step 1 is all about building your online presence. You can't grow your business unless people know who you are. Through video marketing, social media engagement, and consistent content, you'll be able to capture your audience's attention and start building a digital community. Remember, when you create meaningful content, people start trusting you, and that trust turns into sales. Now, the second key strategy is sales growth through video content. In today's digital world, video is the most powerful way to communicate your brand's message. But it's not just about making any video, it's about creating strategic content that resonates with your audience. You can start by showcasing what makes your business unique or sharing customer testimonials. This is where our SBDF 25 e-service platform comes in, where we help you create powerful marketing videos that attract more leads and convert them into loyal customers. Look at how these companies have used video marketing effectively to increase their sales and establish a strong brand presence. The results speak for themselves. Now, I understand that diving into digital marketing can be overwhelming. That's why we designed SBDF 25 to guide you step by step, helping you master online services and marketing solutions that are easy to implement and highly effective. Our SBDF 25 e-service platform provides you with a comprehensive toolkit that includes everything from SEO strategies and social media marketing to video content creation and more. With this platform, you'll gain the confidence and skills needed to succeed in the digital age. So, if you're ready to unlock your business's full potential, I invite you to join me and thousands of others in the SBDF 25 community. Don't wait another day. Subscribe to our channel and start learning from the best in the field. Insha Allah, in just a few months, you'll start seeing your organization grow, your sales increase, and your brand become known to everyone. Success is just around the corner. SBDF 25, empowering business success. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you on your journey toward becoming a successful service provider. Subscribe now for more expert digital marketing tips from Shah Alam and SBDF 25. Until next time, take care, and may your business thrive.